Remove or eject the batteries. Lift the rear end of the mower until the back wheels clear the floor. Secure the lifted mower with jack stands. Use a 21mm socket wrench to remove the 4 lug nuts securing the left rear wheel and then remove it. Use a 10mm socket wrench to remove the 2 bolts securing the left brake assembly. Check for any foreign material from the brake assembly. Remove the friction block, scale board, and the 2 parallel pins. Clean out any foreign material or debris. Remove the brake disc and inside friction block. Check and clean out any foreign material between the contact surfaces of the brake disc and friction block. Install the inside friction block and the brake disc, ensuring that the raised hub side of the disc faces outward. Install the 2 parallel pins, scale board, and outside friction block in sequence. Insert the other end of the tension spring into the mounting hole. Align the mounting holes of the left brake assembly with those on the gear case. Secure the brake assembly with the 2 bolts. The recommended torque is 10 to 12 Nm or 7.4 to 8.9 foot-pounds. Use a feeler gauge to check the gap between the friction block and brake disc. Use a 13mm socket to adjust the clearance to be between 0.35mm and 0.5mm or 0.014 inch to 0.019. Secure the rear wheel with 4 lug nuts. The recommended torque is 101 to 103 Nm or 74.4 to 76 foot-pounds. Remove the jack stands. Lower the mower to the floor. Check operation of the parking brake. Repeat the same procedure for the right brake friction block.